Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make a scroll effect on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find these two options, create a new folder, and then here you're gonna find create a new site. Right here in the center, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of these sites that you created. And right now we're going to go to the site we want to edit. So go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. As you can see guys, right now the dashboard is loading and then you're going to be right here. Once you're here, go to the left and then you're going to find all of these sections. And in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit your site. Click on edit site and then you will be redirected to this page right here. So just wait for it to load. This is basically going to be the editor for your Wix site. So after that, you're going to be right here. Once here, as you can see guys, in the left, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your site. Here, you're going to find add elements, add sections, pages and menus, site design, and so on. So right now, I'm going to add a strip. In order to do that, just click on add element. And then here, we're going to go to strip. And I'm going to choose a strip from here. For example, this one. And then once you add your strip, you can choose the background, change the background of the strip. You can also upload an image to make it the background and so on. And then here, right next to change background, you're going to find background scroll effect. Click on background scroll effect. And then as you can see guys right here, you're going to find all of these scroll effects. You can add any effect that you want. For example, I'm going to add the parallax effect and then just leave this window. And now the effect is applied. In order to save your changes, just click on save here in the top, or you can click on publish to go live. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.